Hi, and welcome to the first flipped lecture in our CommandCenterHD series. Now, the natural first step is going into MediaHD because you need to upload all of your images, video files, even remote images before you can schedule them out onto your digital endpoints, and I will show you that here today. Now, sign into your Command Center account. If you need a login, make sure to reach out to a system admin. First step, click on MediaHD. Now, I'm going to show you how to add items one by one, but we do have a bulk media uploader. In fact, there's a link right in here called Transport HD. It allows you to drag and drop as many image, flash, or video files at once, and then upload them into your Command Center account. Now, we'll show you the old-fashioned way. First, I'm going to add an image. Have your Images tab highlighted, select Add Media. Now, from here, there's only four main parts you need to focus on. First, give your image a name, one that's descriptive and that makes sense not only to you, but also other users within the account. Browse for the image on your computer. Set it as active. Active essentially means that it's available within the system in later parts, so get in the habit of clicking that active box. And then click Save Image. We have all of the supported file types listed below, and Command Center will automatically convert them for you so that they're player friendly. If you're going to utilize it as a background image in the second step within Templates HD, set it as a background image here. Now keep in mind, we do have a resolution recommendation for background images. If your screens are 720p output, the resolution recommendation is 1366 by 768. For 1080p output, we recommend 1920 by 1080. Again, those items are listed below. The next step is uploading something like a remote image. Have your Remote Images tab highlighted and select Add Media. Just like an image, give it a name. But not like an image, instead of browsing for it, it will ask for a URL. Common examples that people use are something like a forecast map. Now, we can't officially endorse any one particular forecast map, and always check with your legal department before you utilize an image that's not from your own website. But if you get the go-ahead, you can simply right-click it and select to copy the image's location. If you're using Google Chrome, it might say Copy Image URL, and if you're using Internet Explorer, it will say Copy Shortcut. Once I select that, that's what I'm going to paste into my URL field here. Once I paste it in, you have to make sure it's in the right file format. Now, I recommend that you stick with these first two, a JPEG or a PNG, and I can see at the end that it is a PNG. Command Center is not going to convert a remote image, so the file type here does matter. We recommend that you cache the image. This ensures that your playback will be uninterrupted. Let's say that website goes down. Obviously, you don't want it to go black on your screens. You want it to still appear, so this stores a loop. You can pick the interval at which it's cached or the relay that it's cached. Unless told otherwise, I recommend you pick CCHD, which is your Command Center cloud. Click it as active and select Save. It's going to be added very quickly into your account. If you're utilizing Flash animation and would like to upload it, highlight Flash and click Add Media. Now, it must be in the SWF file format, so keep that in mind. Give it a name, browse for it on your computer, set it as active, and save. Now, if you want to make sure that your playback is going to be absolutely perfect and your frame rate is higher than 12 frames per second, we actually recommend that you upload your Flash file as a video file. And I'll show you that in this next step. I'm going to highlight my Videos tab and select Add Media. All of the supported file types are not only listed up here, but we have them listed below in our outline. So there's that Flash video file if you decide to upload it that way. For a video, give it a name, browse for it on your computer, keep the format set to the actual digital endpoint you're going to send this out to. It has nothing to do with the video itself, instead it has everything to do with how either that screen or that endpoint is mounted. For video quality, refer to our video quality key. But a general rule of thumb is if it's a high definition video, you want to pick at least large, if not maximum, for your video quality. Set it as active and save. Videos will take slightly longer to process than an image file, so give it a few minutes in order for it to process. In fact, you'll see a little yellow dot under durations that's telling you it's still being uploaded. If you have any questions or you want to find out more about uploading media assets into your Command Center account, give us a shout. You can always call us at 877-344-8450 or send us an email at training@industryweapon.com.